Hey guys, welcome to question MM417 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So in this question we've got x, which is a normally distributed random variable with mean 50 and standard deviation 3. Let z be the random variable which follows the standard normal distribution. Alright, awesome. So to begin with, our question A is a 1 mark question and says find the probability that x is greater than 50. Now, because we know that our mean is 50 and normal distribution is symmetrical on both sides of the mean, that means we have 50% of our data on one side and 50% of the data on the other side, which means that the probability that x is greater than 50, because 50 is our mean, is 0.5. So that's it. That's literally it for part A. That's your first and only mark. Let's move on to part B. Part B is a little trickier, and it's a 2 mark question. And what we're asked to do is find the value of k where the probability that z is less than -213 is equal to the probability that x is greater than k. Awesome. So what we're saying is that we've got z values which correspond to our x values. Okay, so z is our standard normal distribution and z represents the number of standard deviations away from the mean we are. So here we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. You guys see that? Awesome. So what we're saying is we've got a z value of -2/3, which is somewhere here. And we're saying that the probability that z is less than that, so all of this area here, which is the probability, is the same as the area above k in the x value, right? So we're getting here, and we want all of this area, right? And we want to know what this value of k is here. Now, this k value corresponds to a z value as well, right? Because k is our x value, and we need to find out our z value as well. Now we know that the z value on this side is -213, which means that on this side it's going to be +213, right? Because it's symmetrical. So what we want to do is correspond that z value to an x value. So we know that our z values and x values are joined by this equation here, and we're going to need to use that in order to find our k value. So we know that our z value is 213, right? Because our opposite was -213. So 213 is equal to our x value, which in this case is k, minus our mean, which is 50, over our standard deviation, which is 3. Okay, so now we multiply both sides by 3, and we get 2 equals k take 50, so therefore k equals 52. Now our first mark comes when we recognize what formula we have to use, and our second mark comes when we say that k is equal to 52, which is our final answer for part B. And that actually wraps up MM417. So guys, if you have any questions about this, as always, hit me up in the comments below. But otherwise, thank you for watching and have an awesome day.